Hey guys, I'm Priyanka.
I'm Stuti. I'm Mahima.
Today we are going to speak about some fruits and their uses. There are many fruits in nature, but we are going to speak about some fruits. Kokum. Kokum is one of the tropical minor fruit crop grown throughout India. This fruit bearing tree has culinary, industrial and pharmaceutical uses. In India, kokum is widely grown in tropical forest in the western Ghats in Konkan, Goa, Kerala and South Karnataka.
Mangosteen. It is used for diarrhea, urinary tract infections, cancer. It is also used for improving immunity system and mental health. It has the ability to fight against cancer. It helps to lose weight.
The delicious fruit. It is low in calories but packed with vitamin C and fiber. It also prevents liver cancer. It also contains other substances that make it even healthier. Passion fruit. Passiflora aerialis is a one species of passion flower that is native to southern Brazil through Paraguay and northern Argentina. It is cultivated commercially in tropical and subtropical called passion fruit.
Rambutan. It is used to transport oxygen. It helps hydrating the skin. It is rich in iron. It is rich in vitamin C. It is very nutritious.
Water apple. The parts of this tree are used for medicine. Medicinal uses of fruit are treating fever, headaches, etc. It helps. Thank you guys for watching our video. Please like, comment and subscribe our video.